Hi guys, this is Kimberly Siva at Mixed Space Technologies, here to tell you about our upcoming Unity asset called Lexicon. Now, Lexicon is all about advanced speech input for XR. That's mixed reality, virtual reality, and augmented reality. Right now, I'm inside the Oculus Rift, and let's show you what Lexicon can do. Create a red cube here and a blue cube here. Move this one down here. Make this one bigger and this one smaller. Move this one down here. Create a black queen here. Let's make this one 5 feet tall. Create a white horse here. Make this one 3 feet tall. Okay, let's top align this one, and this one. No, let's try center align this one, and this one. Awesome. Okay, let's build the nav mesh for this room. Great. Now let's add a elephant here. And let's put a zombunny here and a zombear here. Okay, now I want you to follow him. And I want you to follow him. And now elephant, I want you to go all the way over here. Okay, so these are just some samples of intents that we've built, but really, the sky's the limit. You can build whatever you want with this system. Let's talk about how it works. We're using IBM Watson. Oh, let's delete this. Okay, we're using IBM Watson's speech-to-text and conversation services. Speech-to-text gives us per-word timestamps, so we can do things like this. Let's debug the word alignment. Okay, now my words should be showing up in space as I speak them. And let's count the shelves to show you how accurate it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you can see, the words line up right where I was looking when I spoke them, which is slightly in the past because, of course, this is a cloud service, so the data comes in with a little bit of latency. But Lexicon basically has a focus manager that keeps track of everything you've looked at over the past several seconds. And that way we can line up the timestamps from Watson to let us do powerful things, like move this one over here. And so the conversation service basically gives us the flexibility in our language model. We train it on a few samples of what we might say, but then the user can say things that are very flexible and not exactly what we taught the system. So that gives us the natural language understanding part of this. Let's hide the nav mesh. And let's stop debugging the word alignment. Let's debug the focus manager. So this just shows you the points that we're capturing every frame, and it's the history of everything the users looked at. And then if they kind of focus on an area for a bit, we call that a dwell, and you can optionally use that information so that you get the more accurate dwell points as opposed to the quickly moving focus points. All right, stop debugging the focus manager. Let's delete this one and this one. And let's just put some windows up. Let's put the conversation output here. Put the frame rate here. Put the speech status here. And then let's right align this one, this one, this one, and this one. It's just nice to keep things clean. So here we can see basically everything coming back from the conversation service. And we can also see that the system does a good job of recognizing silence versus speaking. See, it's silent right now. And when it's silent, we're not sending anything to the cloud. So we save your usage that way. So the other neat thing about Lexicon, and we'll show this in a future video, but it's that everything that you've seen here has been trained directly in Unity. So the IBM and the intents and the entities have been designed in Unity and synced with the IBM Watson Cloud. Um, and then all of the intent actions are completely reusable things that you can compose to add functionality to whatever application you want. So this has just been a small sample of things that we can do with Lexicon. I hope it's fired up your imagination, and this Unity asset should be coming out sometime in March. Thank you very much.